Hi, I'm Ben Sandkam. I'm a Banting Postdoctoral Fellow at the Biodiversity Centre here at the University of British Columbia. Lots of people have heard about guppies, which are small freshwater fish that are common aquarium pets. One really cool thing about wild guppies is that the color pattern of males is all different. So every male looks different, even the brothers. This suggests there's lots of different genes underlying male's color pattern, and that every time a new male is born, these genes get mixed up. So I'm researching a close relative to guppy called Poecilia parrae. Now I think it's such a cool organism because unlike guppies, all males are one of 5 discrete morphs. And a morph is an individual that has lots of characteristics that all get inherited together. In parrae, the morphs differ by color pattern, by size at maturity, by aggressiveness, by how they mate, and even how big their sperm are. All of these traits are probably influenced by lots of different genes, but unlike guppies, all of these genes stay together every time a new male is born. So I'm researching how these genes stay together and how this has resulted in having different male morphs in the same population. When several genes are inherited together, it's called a supergene. And I also know that this supergene is located on the parrae Y chromosome. So that's why I say I'm researching a super Y. My favorite research memory is probably going down to the island of Trinidad and Tobago, where I did a lot of my PhD work. A lot of the fish that I studied were in mountain streams, and so we spend several weeks just driving up and down through the mountains on these small little roads, exploring these off-the-path patches of stream where all the individual fish look different. And I just love being down there and seeing the birds and the wildlife that's down there. My favorite organism has definitely got to be Poecilia parrae. They just have such a cool system, all those different males, all the different female mate choice for the different males that kind of interplays with the lighting environment is just a really cool story.